All right. Attending this workshop, this 3D workshop, right? 3-day workshop. It's more of an affirmation for me, like our practices that I did in my 21 years of working with kids with special needs has been affirmed by the different people that are working in the same field as me. So it kind of gave me the confidence that what I've been doing for the past decades is still applicable and useful for everyone. So sitting in a room with like-minded people gave me the little bit of fire to continue doing what I'm doing, because I'm 50 now, and to be honest, it's making me a little bit tired with what I do. But sitting with like-minded people gave me the fire again. So a little bit, but it's good. A little fire is good.
Yeah.
So basically, Kun Jong did a good job of facilitating the conversation that everyone got to share their ideas. So not just coming from one person or not just coming from her. So the exchange of throwing around of ideas was really, really good. So positive experience all around. And the visit to the center was the kicker. I love that visit. Thank you.